Hello, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Ideas Live Trading Room recap for Friday, April the 7th. My name is Barry Anderson, moderator of your trading room. This is the address to get in, and I share my screen all day long. And I usually get live right around 9 o'clock in the morning, Eastern Time, of course, and up to 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The room is free. You don't have to be a member of Trade Ideas. You can come in as a guest, no strings attached. And again, I do share my screen and live all day long. All right. Well, kind of an interesting day for me. It started out not too well. Took a look at this one, the CJ. This is one that I had seen a lot earlier when it was CJESQ, a pink sheet stock, but I guess they've kind of emerged from bankruptcy. And caught my eye in the pre-market when I saw the CJ and realized this was the new, CJ Energy Services. Again, just yesterday it was CJESQ. So looked at this and thought, you know what? Let's see if it can start to fill some of this void. So took the trade at 34.71, almost at the high here, and mark up right here. And then it just collapsed. It just really collapsed pretty quick on me. I was lucky to get out where I did. Took about a 25-cent hit on that one, but anyway, that was the first trade of the day. And then we had Galt, which is now looking not too bad. This was from Holly. Got in right around here, but it just really didn't do anything and basically got out of this flat. It's not doing too badly now. And the other one that kind of bumped me out was Nectar. I was trying to short this one. Second here. NKTR. Was trying to short this one. It looked very weak. It was falling. It was underneath the whole number, 20. I thought it was a psychological area. Got into the short at 19, looks like 1978, right around here. Did fall, and I just got a little greedy. I was looking maybe for getting into the 1750s. Anyway, bottom line is, as it moved up, I took a little loss on it, 8-cent loss, 7 or 8 cent loss on it. So the day didn't start out that well, but then all of a sudden, a couple stocks really rescued me. Depot. So Depot, let's take a look at Depot on a daily chart, and you'll see what So I had set an alert. Actually, I think I erased the alert. Oh, just 1 second, please. All right, so I had set an alert for Depot just over 13, right around here before, looking at maybe a 13 break. Because of this daily, I'm looking at this daily and thinking, okay, if it could break 13, there's a nice big void gap on top of that. So, back to the 5-minute. So when this happened finally, I got into the trade at 13.09. Now, I may be getting out. I'm already out some. I'm in the trade at 13.09. Took some out at 13.22 and 13.35. So I may be getting out to see. I just want to see how this holds. If it doesn't hold, let's say it gets down to 13.40, I'll probably exit the trade. But you know what? I mean, it was a pretty good trade. On a percentage basis, I'll take that any day. And it was pretty easy. When I say easy, stress-free. I don't mean easy. No such thing as an easy trade. But it was pretty stress-free once I got in it. It had a nice rise up. Now the other one, and big kudos to William in the room. He's sort of our special. He specializes on these penny stocks, and he mentioned BCEI, and he saw something just hitting the newswire that they were kind of emerging from bankruptcy with a $200 million cash injection. Now, don't quote me exactly on that news. I'm just I'm doing it from memory. But the bottom line is that he said, what do you think of this? I said, well, you know what, I'll take a look at it if it gets over $1. And I kind of hemmed and hawed to myself. Anyway, finally took the trade at $1.06. It looked like it was trying to hold $1, so I took the trade at $1.06. And I mean, look what it did. I mean, remember now, on a percentage basis, this is just a huge move. And I wish I could say I got out right at the top, but got out at 113 and 119 from $1.06. I'll take that any day. Just a really nice alert from William in the room. So I said I'd give him kudos, and kudos he got. Now I'm still in RST. I took RST. It's starting to work a little bit. I'm in at 115. This is Rosetta Stone. 115. That's close enough. Now it's not a big volume on this one. Keep forgetting to do this. The symbol linking. So it's not big volume on this, but what I liked about it, of course, is here's the break. Now I was a little late. I really should have got, if I really wanted this one, I should have got in and right around here. So I'm sacrificing, 10 cents on an $11 stock, which, it's not great. But anyway, see what happens. But I let you know this is a break at a consolidation, and I just want to see if it has any sort of continuation. Let's just see. Again, I think I have to refresh my memory on the daily chart why I like it. Yeah, I don't think there's no resistance near term anyway that I can see. So we'll see. It is extended, definitely extended, but I thought so many times, I know I'm sort of bouncing around here, but so many times I've seen this sort of a pattern, and at the end of the day, they run and run and run, and I think, why didn't I take this? Because I did see it. I mean, I saw it right here. So that's it. So I'm still in the depot, and I'm still in Rosetta Stone, and we'll see what happens. All right, everybody. Well, next week is the big week. It's the test drive of Trade Ideas. So you'll see the link in the email that you get, and you can sign up for it. You can actually log into the program. I mean, we get so many questions. People saying, hey, I can't log in. You really got to read the email, guys. The email says, first of all, it's not live until Monday morning. But you will be able to log in at probably about 5 o'clock Eastern, about an hour after the market closes today. So you can play around with the software all week, all weekend, and so you'll be ready for Monday morning. And of course, it is live. Everything we have to offer, Holly, price alerts, price charts, everything. It's the full package, all right? Costs you $8.88, but we get the question so many times. I'd love to have a trial, not just the demo. The demo's not bad, but it does have some restrictions, but this is the full package. So, we do this usually once a quarter. So if you want to do it, don't miss it. All right, everybody. Well, it'll be it's a tough week for me next week because, of course, we get a lot of questions, and I probably be a little bit light on the trading, but that's okay. I'm here to answer all your questions, and so I hope to see you if you're taking the test drive. Please show up in the room, and otherwise, as guests or, of course, Trade Ideas members already. I hope to see you in our trading room on Monday. All right. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll see you bright and early Monday morning. Bye-bye.